Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make the super cute Christmas tree rhinestone sweater. It's super easy and you basically just need a sweatshirt. You can find these at Hobby Lobby or Michael's, and some rhinestones. These are iridescent. I found these at Michael's. What I started by doing is just laying out the design and making sure that the rhinestone colors wouldn't repeat. I kind of created a basic pattern before actually gluing them on. You kind of have to play with it and pick different rhinestones and see what works. But once you like the design, then you can start gluing them onto the sweatshirt. This is a super fun craft idea if you want to have a girls' night. You guys can just bring your sweatshirts and some fun rhinestones and create your own designs. You can do any other designs on it. You can do letters, but I decided since it's the holiday season to just do a little Christmas tree. Once I liked the design, I got this super fabric glue, and I basically just turned around every rhinestone and glued carefully, trying not to change the pattern because then you'll have to figure out where each one of them was. Before gluing, you might also want to add a cardboard between the top and the bottom layer just to make sure that it won't stick to the back of the sweater. Once you are done, you just basically let it dry overnight, and this is how it turned out. I am absolutely in love with it. As most of you know, I'm a jewelry designer and I love everything that sparkles. So I will definitely be wearing this holiday season. If you like these kinds of videos and would like to see more of these cute, easy DIY videos, let me know. Make sure you like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any other videos that are coming up. Thanks for watching.